In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply dark theme in Trello. If you work in Trello for long stretches, switching to a dark theme can make your boards easier on the eyes, especially in low light, and it gives the interface a clean, focused feel. Let's walk through the exact steps, and I'll call out a few tips along the way. First, open Trello and head to your boards page. This is the main hub that lists the boards you have access to. You can get there from the home screen or by using the boards link in the header. Make sure you're signed in so the change applies to your account. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. Depending on your setup, it might show your photo, your initials, or a simple avatar. That click opens a small account menu with settings that control how Trello looks and behaves for you. In that menu, find the option labeled Theme. This is where Trello keeps the appearance controls. Go ahead and click Theme to open the choices. If you don't see it right away, scroll the menu or widen your window. Some options collapse on smaller screens. Now choose Dark. The moment you select Dark, Trello updates instantly. The background, menus, cards, and pop-ups switch to darker tones while keeping text clear and readable. There's nothing else to save. Your preference is stored automatically and will carry over to other boards and sessions when you sign in again. A couple of quick notes to make the most of it. Board backgrounds and cover images still work in dark mode, but if any colors feel too bold against the darker UI, you can adjust individual board backgrounds later without affecting the overall theme. If at any point you want to go back to light or match your device setting, you can return to the same theme area and change it. Your boards won't be altered. If the theme option isn't visible, refresh the page, try a different browser window size, or update the Trello app if you're using the desktop version. Some enterprise settings may customize menus, so check with your admin if needed. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled dark theme in Trello, giving your workspace a comfortable modern look that's easier on the eyes throughout the day. Thanks for watching and enjoy working in dark mode.